He's under arrest.
Not under arrest, Daddy! Stop! I'm not here!
Get off of me.
I'm not here!
Today, you will witness firsthand the immediate and swift consequences of...
Can't give me a break, man.
You know I can't. Absolutely can't. It's on camera. I can't do anything about it.
I'm not asking. I'm telling you. I will bring him in. Okay? You don't need to make this bigger than this.
What happens when police officers are forced to handcuff their own boss? The first answer begins on a day in late December. On December 21, the incident began with a speeding violation, but tensions escalated when the driver ignored the detention order, walked straight into his house, and dared the police to call his superior.
What's up?
So I stopped him for speeding, 41 and a 25. He pulls in right here. He's originally parked here. I get out to get my ticket book out of the back of the patrol car because it's in my patrol bag in the trunk. And he pulls up here, gets out of the car. I tell him, you're not free to leave. You're detained at this time. He proceeds to ignore me and proceeds inside the house. Requests my supervisor, said that I'm not detained. You have no way to prove that I was speeding, and enters the house against my order.
Is this his house?
Yes.
Okay. Secure it and go get a search warrant. I guess. Because it's infraction, right? Some of the guys just an infraction on him. Yeah.
He said he would talk to you, but he's not going to talk to me. I have his ID in the car.
It's who?
Elijah is his first name.
You want to talk to me?
Yeah. Well, he said that he wanted my supervisor. I said my chief is on his way.
He said there was no way
And
to
he said
monitor
that-
this scene with our opposite direction.
When the police chief arrived, the dialogue seemed like a possible last way out. However, stubbornness, the act of blocking the door, and harsh accusations turned the situation into a chaotic arrest inside his own home.
So you have obstructing?
Yeah.
He is committed in your presence. What's his name again?
Elijah.
Hey, is Elijah here?
He is.
Can I talk to him?
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Do you know this Elijah character? You want to take him in custody?
What's that?
I'll take him into custody if he opens up.
If he's willing to cooperate, then
Elijah,
Hello.
come on in here so we can talk to you for a minute.
No, I'm not coming out there. This is my home.
Okay, well, we need to issue
We
this
talk right
citation,
here.
so
And that's fine.
can you give this officer a chance to... So we have two options, okay? Here's the thing. We can issue this citation, and you can plead your case to courts, or I'll take you to jail right now for obstruct and delay.
Okay.
So, it's up to you.
I said he could give me the citation
Okay,
already.
well then come on out here so he can finish this up.
I don't
your
need to
vehicle.
go out there for him to issue a citation. So there's no further
Yeah,
reason
you
for me
do.
to be
You need
out
to stand right next to your vehicle because he told you weren't free to go yet. He needs to issue citation. So please go there, wait by your vehicle, so that way he can issue citation.
That makes no sense. I
Okay.
have things to take care of.
You have 2 seconds to go by your vehicle and let him issue citation, or I'm going to place
so
you under
you're going to
arrest.
come on my
Or
property.
you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing. Take your pick.
Obstructing what exactly?
You're obstructing his investigation into traffic. And he's trying to
No,
issue a
there is
citation.
there is
Okay,
no
if you
obstruction.
feel that the injustice has been, or whatever, you can apply. You can take it up with the courts. But I need you to go by your vehicle so he can give you the citation, and you can be on your way. You're stretching this out way longer than what it needs to be. It's a speeding
Okay.
ticket.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
It's
so
a speeding ticket, so can you tell me even how he would
Okay.
determine speed? What is your
okay,
guys'
that is something
mechanisms
you're going to have to
for
take up with the
determining
judge. You can
speed?
fight that part with
Okay,
the court.
because I'm getting tired of you guys hanging out
Okay.
here. This is my home. You're
Okay.
going to sit here and try to do a speed
Okay.
trap right here. So no, if you want to issue a citation, you go ahead and issue a citation.
Then
right
come out
now.
here, wait by your vehicle.
No, I am not.
Come out here, wait by your vehicle.
No, because then once I leave my private home, then that gives you reason for arrest. I am on my private.
You're right
property
now.
at
You're
this
about
point.
ready to go to jail.
Yeah, I don't trust you guys. I'm going to go ahead and call my lawyer
Okay.
and
Well-
call the city attorney, and
Okay.
then we will
Well, you
discuss.
can come out here and
okay?
have your.
You have no right into my home. You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come out here to finish
Go
this.
ahead, call the attorney.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to.
You have no right to come in here for a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Get your foot out
Now,
of my door.
but you're obstructing.
I've already heard about you as a chief of police. You're cricket. Get your foot out of my door. I know you have no problem breaking the law. Get your foot out of my door.
You have no
Then stand right here. Then do me a favor and stand right here so he can issue the citation.
The sheriff's department.
Sheriff's department's right here.
Okay, good. So go ahead and call the attorney.
Okay, this is not necessary over a speeding ticket.
You
Okay.
Yeah, I know exactly. What are you saying that for?
So-
Of course, this isn't necessary.
Okay.
Go ahead, call our neighbor here and call Silas as well.
Okay. So come on out here so we can issue a
No, I will
citation.
not.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're gonna come out here so he can issue the citation.
Not this time, no.
Okay.
Until I have further witnesses
Okay.
to deal
Well,
with
you have a
guys.
county deputy here, so you have two options. Like I said.
No, that one's very crooked.
Okay.
No.
Well,
That guy.
step out here.
No, I am not. I am getting witnesses, and then
Okay,
once I
that's
have
fine.
other witnesses here, then I will step
No,
outside.
this is not how this works.
That is
So-
how it's going to work.
No, it's not.
I don't have that.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door. You're under arrest.
Out of my house.
You
Get the
cannot
out.
come into our house.
Open the door, you are
Open the
under
door,
arrest.
or I'm gonna tase you.
Daddy.
Open the door, or you're gonna get tased.
Open the door.
No.
Open the door.
No, you cannot
Open
take my
the
He's
door.
under,
husband.
he's under arrest.
He's under arrest.
You
Open
are not-
the door.
Daddy,
Or you're gonna get tased.
Pastor,
This
I don't
man's
have
looking for-
I don't have their numbers.
Open the door now, or you're gonna get tased.
Individual was placed under arrest.
I am
Open the
calling
door.
for further
You're gonna get
witnesses.
tased.
Wait.
Are you saying you are not allowing me to call? for
No,
witness?
you're under arrest at this point.
I'm calling a witness.
You're under arrest. Open up. Help you push the door.
No! How do you do that? No!
Because he's under arrest.
No, he's not under arrest, Daddy! Stop! Our daughter is here!
Get off of me!
Our daughter is
Taser,
here!
taser!
No! 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 Our daughter is here!
On the ground. On the ground. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased
Stop,
again.
Daddy! Stop! Help! Help! Help!
Stop resisting, or you're gonna get tased again.
Help! Oh, me help!
I'm out of my
Stop
house.
resisting, or you're gonna get tased again.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God!
Let him
This
get the
is
cuffs
not
on you, we'll get the-
necessary!
The incident concluded with Elijah being handcuffed and escorted to the patrol car while continuing to accuse the police. After a taser was deployed, law enforcement called for medical assistance in accordance with procedure.
Hello? This is not necessary. Daddy, this is not necessary. This is not.
all the way.
You notice that?
Okay, we're gonna roll you up and sit you on your.
I got it. I got it. I got
Okay?
it. I got it.
got
Don't
it?
touch me. Get off of me. I will roll
So
over.
crooked. This is so crooked. He didn't. In his own home.
He was placed under arrest.
He was not.
He did.
He was not.
That guy placed him under arrest.
Did you request
And he
EMS
was
yet?
in our house, sir, and our daughter's
Dispatch Bill
here.
1500 stage meds.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Stay seated.
I'm gonna stand up.
No, you listen to these.
I cannot stay in this position. I have nothing to do. I am handcuffed.
Okay.
I'm
Please.
getting up.
Our daughter's
I'm
here.
getting
and our
up.
son.
Send him in your car, or is he? Okay, we got probes.
I'll put it in mine or yours.
Send him in yours right now.
Hold on. Hey, you still got that knife in your pocket? Come on, leave that here. So, come over here.
If Elijah were an ordinary citizen, this would be a case of police abuse of power. But if Elijah is a former deputy, then this is an internal power struggle. Chief, in this case, emerges as a quintessential bad cop, entrapping Elijah by creating an obstructive situation, using completely unnecessary force, and reacting aggressively to allegations of corruption. According to Section 242(18) of the United States Code, nomination, protocol, regulation, or custody. Any person who, under any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, knowingly deprives any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, territory, or county of any right, privilege, or immunity guaranteed or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, shall be subject to a fine under this provision or imprisonment for not more than 1 year, or both. And if a violation of this provision results in physical injury, or if such acts include the use, attempt to use, or threat of use of dangerous weapons, explosives, or fire, it shall be punishable by a fine under this provision or imprisonment for not more than 10 years, or both. If we were to score the police officer's conduct in this situation, especially the chief of police, based on modern professional standards, professionalism, and situational handling, he would deserve only a 2 out of 10. Although Elijah was apprehended, he will likely face civil lawsuits, public outrage, and may be subject to discipline or dismissal for violating use of force procedures. Like the video if you agree with this score. On May 12, a traffic stop for erratic driving turned an ordinary situation into a tragic turning point, when the very person enforcing the law admitted to his own violation.
Hello? I'm Trooper Valentine, Arkansas State Police. Stopped because you look like you're having trouble controlling your vehicle. Alright, what's going on?
A lot. I got
Your arm? Okay, where is it? Huh? It's on your chest? Huh? Been drinking a little?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, can I see your driver's license? So where are you coming from?
Just over Missouri.
Okay. How much have you had to drink?
Not much.
Okay. Well, is your vehicle off? Turn it off for me. Alright. Go ahead and step out with me, okay?
The turning point erupted when the driver's identity was revealed. From pleading for leniency to a firm refusal due to the presence of body cameras, the roles were completely reversed, pushing him into a life-or-death choice involving a breath alcohol test.
So you got a gun on you?
It's off.
It's off of you? Is it in the vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're a deputy?
I'm the chief deputy.
You're the chief? Okay. Well, so you know better.
I've had some bad times.
Okay. Well, I understand that. But, I mean, you know we can't be out driving if we've been drinking.
Yeah.
And, you know, I caught you coming back onto the highway back there. You almost hit a sign and then followed you for a little while, and you touched the yellow line twice, touched the white line twice, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to do some tests on you. All right. You know how all this is going to go. If you are impaired, there's nothing I can do for you. Okay?
Okay.
Because it's not, it wasn't my choice, whatever you've done. And, you know, my job's going to be on the line just like yours is, okay? You got gum in your mouth? Okay, go ahead and spit that out for me. All right. Come back here toward my car, okay? So how much have you had? You don't know? You don't remember? Okay. Well, pull your hands out of your pockets. All right, go ahead and stand. All right. You gonna be all right?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and stand up for me right here, okay? And face my car. You want to go through these tests, or you just want me to take you in? Huh? I won't take you to Newton. We're in Boone right now, so I'd be taking you to Boone. Okay. I know it sucks. All right, but like I said, it's not my choice.
Can't give me a break, man.
You know I can't. Absolutely can't. It's on camera. I can't do anything about it. I've got family out here on this highway. I'm sure you do too. I I do smell, I mean, I could smell some odor of intoxicants, all right? Of course, you've admitted to me that you've had something to drink. It's on camera. You're driving. So it's up to you if you want to take tests or if you just want to go into jail. Well, I understand that, but I'm sure you understood that too when you decided to drive, right? So, what do you want to do? Well, we can't sit here all day.
I know.
I'm on a stop just north of 206 on 7 South. Go ahead.
Just for information, I got another call to tell John. I've called at Aaron Gray. They may be in position.
Simple. Alright, so again, it's up to you, but like I said, we can't sit here all day, so either we can do some tests here, I can PBT you, we can see where you're at. You know the law, if you're under 8%, I mean, it's still up to me, you know, between 4% and 8%, whether I want to take you to jail or not. I do have some bad driving. If you're under 8%, I can work with you. If you got somebody that can come get you, we can go that route. Okay?
Seriously.
I can't do that. I can't, without testing you, yes, seriously. You know that I have no discretion when it comes to DWI. No, it's not. We've got cameras, we've got everything else. It's not like it used to be. I do wish I could help you out, but I do not have that discretion. So, you want to take a chance? We can either, like I said, we can see where you're at, or you can go to jail, not have any further evidence. You know, it's up to you.
Seated in the back of the patrol car, the deputy sheriff admitted that he had lost his career, perhaps even his entire life. Although he was handcuffed in front as a professional courtesy, Trooper Valentine emphasized one thing that could not be changed.
Go ahead and put your hands on my car. All right, we're just going to go through this like we normally do.
Really?
Yeah. I just got to follow policy, man. If I want them to back me up, I got to do what they want me to do. All right? Go ahead and put your hands on there, bring your feet backward toward me. No, put your hands on the car for me, bring your feet back. All right. So you don't have anything on you. All right. I will do the professional courtesy if you want. We can, I can just cuff you in the front, sit you in the back of my car. You want to do that? Or you'd rather have them behind your back?
Cuff me? Seriously?
Like I said, it's policy.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
You want me to follow policy?
I think it's bullshit, by the way, but...
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get my pills out of there. I have to have them.
Okay, what are they for? Okay. Go ahead. I'll let you go up there.
There's a gun in there.
Okay. So where's your pills? Okay.
There's guns in there and...
Okay. Should be all right with them in here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's go. I'll follow you.
Just sit me in the back seat.
Yeah, we'll sit you in the back seat. Go ahead. Okay, yeah, sure. Go ahead.
You know,
We'll go on that side. No, go on the passenger side. Go ahead and slide on in. Kind of knocking my stuff loose there. All right.
Well,
Go ahead and get buckled. You want to be buckled? You want to be buckled?
are you serious?
You don't want to be buckled? I mean, that's up to you, I guess.
Man,
It's not my fault. Don't look at me like it's
no, it's my fault.
Okay. I mean, like I said, I do not want to do this to another law enforcement officer. I've always heard about it happening. Never wanted it to happen to me. Okay? But like I said, there's nothing I can do about it. Right? You understand that?
No, I
It's
do
not on me.
understand. I know it's not on you.
Okay.
And I
If you were
appreciate
some other guy out here, you know, driving around suspended, you know, no job, whatever, I'd be doing the same thing.
Pretty much lost my life, lost my career, and probably lost my life.
Well, I hope not. I mean, I don't know what you guys, you know, I don't know how everything goes over there, but you have a pretty good chance of, you know, judge finding you not guilty. He does that quite a bit. I don't know how. I've never seen him in court with another officer with a DWI, but you know, in that court, it's kind of hit or miss whether or not we're gonna get a conviction on DWI. So, I don't know if being charged with it is enough for you to get fired, or I don't know if you have to be convicted of it. So, a couple things to think about, maybe.
No, I'll be gone. Sure.
All right. I'm gonna shut this door, okay?
And again, that's not typically me. I don't feel like I'm drunk enough to, you know, be, I don't know.
Be intoxicated?
Yes.
Over the legal limit? Well, like I said, you know, I mean, I gave you the choice if you wanted to take this and see where you're at, or, you know, just go on down with no test. Hello. Hey, I am 1015 with a white male. Yep. Like I said, just north of 206 here, waiting on someone to come get his vehicle. And then we'll be going to Boone County. Alrighty. Should be here about 10 minutes maybe. But I'll let you know when I'm headed out. Yep. It's good. Okay. Any more on the cows? Okay. Yeah.
It can be said that Trooper Valentine is a textbook example of a bad cop. Instead of focusing solely on the traffic violation, Valentine repeatedly fixated on the other party's rank to intensify feelings of guilt and humiliation. He presented choices that appeared to grant autonomy, but in reality were designed to gather evidence or coerce a confession. Under the 5th and 14th Amendments, presenting choices that appear voluntary but are in fact coercive may render statements involuntary. The abuse of authority to apply psychological pressure, humiliate, or force a confession can be prosecuted under 18 U.S.C. Section 242. Trooper Valentine used rules, cameras, and procedures as tools to psychologically torment the other party, stripping a fellow officer of dignity. There is little room for dispute if we rate his conduct at 2 out of 10. The incident took place in Espanola, New Mexico. Suspect Philip Chacan was being pursued in connection with a murder. When he barricaded himself inside a house until Police Chief James Lujan arrived, it signaled that a life-or-death confrontation was about to begin.
Phil Chacon? That's who you have a warrant for?
Right.
Pull everybody out. I'll bring him in.
I don't want to pull them out.
Huh?
I don't want to pull them back.
Excuse me? I'm not asking. I'm telling you. I will bring him in. Okay? We don't need to make this bigger than what it is.
Hey, the sheriff just pulled in, and he's asking us to pull back, and he'll pull him in. But he's been drinking. I can smell it on him. We're gonna need somebody. Huh? Yeah. And we need to pull somebody over here, somebody above me, because he's already pushing his weight around with me. So. Okay. The sheriff is here. He's trying to make us pull back, and he said he'll call him out, but we're not pulling back. He does know him, but he's not coming. We're not gonna pull back because he says so. No. It's not gonna happen. Just let you guys know, okay? Yeah. I'm getting hold of the chief now. We're not pulling back. Hi. I'm waiting for. I told Jeremy. Jeremy's calling Command 1 now. But do you smell it, or am I the only one who smells it?
Yeah. Please do something about it.
Right.
Hey, I know. We're here to Tabitha. I know, Tabitha. But hey, listen, Michelle's the supervisor in charge. Okay, I'm running the TAC team, the TAC plan. Okay, I know he just texted me. He's like, Tabitha's coming. Do me a favor. Okay, tell him to cooperate with me. Tell him to trust me. Okay, tell him to call me. I know. That's why we're here. Well, and then he shot while the cops were here. Tabitha, settle down. Okay. Tell him to text me and call me. Okay? Okay, thanks, bye. I'll call Command 1 now.
Yeah, do it.
Do something about that. You're the supervisor, so it's going to be on you.
Right. But we can't...
I definitely smelled it really bad.
So did I.
So...
What?
How can he...
Lujan ordered the officers to withdraw so he could handle the situation himself, but he was quickly observed, showing signs of intoxication. His order was overruled. A superior was called to the scene, and officers confirmed that the suspect was heavily armed and had already fired shots, forcing negotiations to proceed under extremely dangerous conditions.
We had a search warrant on that house, or one of those motorhomes, and then he shot one of his rifles. So then we came around this way, and right here on the other side where you have that like garage that's open, and then there's another garage, he was coming out with 3 rifles. So then he dropped them and then ran back inside. And then he tried...
So how many rifles are in there? Or do you guys have?
There's 3 that are there, and I know he has more.
How do you know he has more?
Because it's Phil.
No.
We have him.
You have them all?
I took, okay, there's an AR. I took the AR.
Okay, so there's 3 rifles that are out there on the floor.
Those are the only 3 I know that were in there.
Here's the thing, is he still has that pistol that he stole from what's his name that night he beat him
Oh,
up.
that 9mm?
Yeah.
Which pistol? Which pistol?
From
the tenant in the front? He beat up the tenant in the front?
Yeah, what's his name?
Christopher Marquez.
No, Chris. No. He said he didn't take the 40.
He stole Chris's gun.
That was a 40.
He stole Chris's gun.
Okay.
He has it.
So there's a 9. I have a 9mm.
In there.
No, I think it's the guy in the front.
Whose number is he calling me from?
I don't know. I don't know.
Because I was talking, he started calling me on his phone, and then he started calling me on this number.
He has an app that changes.
Okay.
Shortly thereafter, the acting chief of the city police arrived and ordered Lujan to leave the scene immediately.
He called me a while ago before all this crap went on, but I was out in Abiquiu, so I said, oh, I'll be on my way. Said something about Jacob, and he told me that if he wasn't here, he was going to go to the camper. Justin and I went and checked the camper. He's not in there, so he's in here.
So when did he stop Jacob?
I don't know. I wasn't here.
When did he stop Jacob? Sorry.
Earlier.
Today?
Yes.
But your chief told me to stay off the scene, so I'll stay back here.
Hey, did you guys get a hold of D unit? Huh?
He says tell him to back off.
Signs of Lujan's attempted cover-up gradually became evident. Despite being intoxicated, he remained at the scene, attempted to downplay the suspect's actions, and concealed the fact that he was holding the house key without reporting it. He could face charges of conspiracy to violate civil rights under 18 U.S.C. Section 241 and falsification or concealment of evidence under 18 U.S.C. Section 1519. The conduct of James L. Lujan went beyond mere unprofessionalism. and showed indications of criminal abuse of office. He turned the authority entrusted to him by the public into a tool to protect a murder suspect, endangering law enforcement personnel and damaging the reputation of the police profession. There is no justification for anything other than the lowest possible score, 1 point for this officer.